blinded by the light. I do like it. Makes me look like a supermodel. Boom! 60-second Steve here. So I just came to the studio filming a product review for a little secret, something that you'll see in one of my other videos. But whilst I'm here, I have just purchased a ring light for the studio. I can quickly show you what I'm currently filming on. So yeah, I've got one studio light here. There's the RX100 on its tripod. There's a mess in the background, and there's the other studio light there. So that's what I'm currently filming on. So I just wanted to test out really using a ring light. So I found this one on Amazon by Neewer. I'm not sure if it's one of the earlier versions or a budget version, but the one that I'd seen contained a tube, and I didn't really want to go down that tube route because, you know, if you do want to transport it around, which I have done with these lights in the past, I'm always very conscious that they are fragile, and if they do break, then I would have to replace them. So I went for this option. I'm not too sure how much it is, but what I'll do when I get back home, I'll put a link in the description below to this one, which is in the UK that I purchased. I think it was about 85, 87 pounds, something like that. But this one is a LED version, and so it comes in this soft case, which was a pleasant surprise. I didn't realise that it came in a soft case. There is the ring light itself, pretty much fully assembled, just without any diffuser on at the moment. There's a bracket for a light stand, and I'll go grab it in a second. I believe that I've got another box just behind the camera, which I believe contains a light stand. Here's another box, which again, I believe this will contain 2 sets of diffusers. One will be opaque, and the other one, for whatever reason, not too sure, it's like this, like amber colour. There must be a reason why the comes with that specific colour. I don't really know too much. I've never really delved into much with studio lighting in the past, so this is a bit of a first for me really. But there's the opaque one, so I will more than likely use this one just to diffuse the light ever so slightly. You also get a very basic mobile phone holder. I suppose if you wanted to film yourself with your mobile phone, and you get, it's a little bit battered, the boxes, but you get here a Bluetooth remote shutter release button, and it works with iOS or Android. Well, I didn't really expect that. It's really cheap, but nevertheless it was free, so that's good. Some instructions, and that is it. I don't really think I need the instructions. Let's have a quick look. Don't really like to bore people too much with unboxing videos, but okay, so that's not too bad actually. I'll take it back. I say cheap, but to be fair, it does feel quite good quality. So there's the ball head with a cold shoe mount. So obviously you can get the ball head, you can put your mobile phone mount on, yep, which would go in the bottom of there, and well, okay, this wasn't in the list, not that I could see, the product list within the instructions. So there's a flexi arm, and this does feel pretty heavy and robust. God, that is a pretty sturdy flexi arm. You've got a mount on the bottom for a light stand, and then you've got your standard tripod mount on the top. Here is the light stand. So there's a retaining screw in there, unless they fold all the way down, do they? Yeah, they do. Oh, that's quite good. So it inverts itself, so it's more compact for transit, I imagine, which is quite good, like some modern travel tripods. So that's that. The power switch is part of the dimmer switch, so clicks to turn it on, you rotate it to increase the brightness. So I've got the camera currently set onto aperture priority, so as I increase the brightness of this, the camera will change the aperture to compensate for the brightness. So that is a pretty decent halo right there. So what I'll do, I'm going to put the diffuser on and I will put it behind the camera and then I'll show you what it looks like with and without. Okay, so now I've got the ring light around the camera on its light stand that came with it. So I'll just quickly show you on my phone the setup that I'm currently using. So there you go, you've got the ring light just in front of the tripod with the camera mounted in the background. So what I'm going to do now, so that's how it's currently set up. Let me just turn this, move this light because I have to step past it. So I move it out of the way a little bit. So there we go, that's the two current fluorescent tubes on, and that's what it looks like. So what we can do now, put the ring light on. If I can reach, I really could do with an assistant. So that's on its lowest setting. I'm not sure how it's going to work with the camera on semi-auto. I'm just going to compensate a little bit for the brightness of the light, but I'm hoping just to maybe eliminate some of these shadows in the background and illuminate the face, my beautiful face, a little bit. So let's crank it up a little bit. That's pretty bright. Look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. But that is not too bad, apart from blinding me a little bit. I can show you what that looks like, what I'm currently seeing right now. A really bright halo. It looks pretty decent now. It does give off some light, and that is not on its brightest setting. I'm pretty impressed with that. It's one of the reasons why I'm wearing my contacts today. Quite often I just wear my prescription glasses, but I wanted to test this out, and from YouTube videos that I've seen, it's quite difficult or almost impossible, really, if you want it to be front facing and eliminate shadows from under the chin, etc. It's quite difficult to not have two halo reflections in the lenses of your glasses. I will test it with glasses and see how I can possibly reduce or eliminate the halo in the lenses, but for now I'm just going to wear contacts and use the ring light for the rest of this video and for my product review, which is coming in the next video. So what we can do, we can just try and turn it up to its maximum brightness. Jesus, that is bright. Whew. I don't know how long I could realistically sit here staring at that halo for before it burns my eyes out. But yeah, that is pretty bright, that is. I'm gonna now turn it down a little bit. Turn it off. That's with it off. And sorry for the seat that keeps creaking. And that's maximum. Yeah, I quite like it. And I think we'll just go, that's maybe midway. That seems to be pretty decent. So that is it really. That is the Neewer halo light, not halo light. That is the Neewer ring light. I will put a link in the description below from the UK Amazon site where I purchased it from, and that's it really. I hope you like this video. Just a quick real product review of just this halo light, just to show you before and after the kind of light that it creates. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more of my videos, then feel free to scroll through and subscribe. And if you'd like to be kept up to date with any future videos that I upload, then please hit that bell. I'm 60 Second Steve. Thanks for watching. Peace.